What's going on, everybody? I am here with the 2018 CVO Road Glide. A couple nice things about the 2018. You have an upgraded 21-inch front wheel straight from the factory. Of course, you have your dual bending valve technology, front forks. You have a 117 cubic inch motor, and again, that is a 1923cc motor. The Milwaukee Eight has great roll-on power, and it's a ton of fun to ride. With a CVO, you have a couple extra little goodies. You do have a full Kahuna collection. That is your floorboards, your extra pegs, passenger pegs, all Kahuna collection, matching hand grips. And the previous owner also added the Kahuna collection highway pegs on there as well. You have a total of about 3,900 miles on this motorcycle. It was owned by a good friend, Scott. Gets a new bike from us every year. It does have stage 2 boom audio in the fairing, also in your saddlebags with your stretch saddlebags. In the back, you have extra LED lights. And then this is a paint match chopped touring pack. Nice $2,500 option. So you can take this on and off. There we go. There's a 90-day, 3,000-mile guarantee on it. Again, any wear item on the bike that's 50% life or less gets changed out with no added cost. Have any questions? Give us a call, 802-476-6104. Thanks.